Well, hi guys. Well, this is going to be different. I've ordered this and I've had quite a few problems actually getting it. So I'm going to unbox it just as it is. As you can see, I have done nothing. It is all still totally sealed. The only thing I've done is just taken the name and address off there. So it's just come. I don't know what it's going to look like, but we're going to find out. So let's see. See if I can get all this off. Difficult to do when you've got nails on, I'm afraid. We'll have a go at it. Yeah, well, I suppose in a way it's packed quite well. It's like Christmas. I suppose if I got something properly to undo it with. So here we go. Right. So let's have a look what's inside. Oh, right. Right. So it comes in this fancy bag, and because of the my that I've had with this, it was just this particular item there. So it looks as if for compensation of all the hassle, she's actually sent me a stand, and this is to hold. That's very good. I mean, that alone is £5 on its own. So yes, so let's have a look what else there is in here. A pretty little bag, and there is some little stickers. I mean, I use nail guards, as you know, so these are pretty much the same thing. They're not as good as nail guards, but you know, when you, well, you'll see in a minute. So she sent me some super glue, and she's put in some Vaseline in there. She's put, oh, this is liquid latex, not latex, silicone. So there it is. With that, she's sent a few nails that are loose there. As you can see, they are full ones. So she sent those. Like I say, there's a few rings. But this is what I ordered. Oh my. Oh my. Look at that. I love how they look more realistic. And obviously I shall be demonstrating these. And actually, it looks better when you're actually doing your designs. When it looks as if you're working on a hand. I wouldn't say it's as good as the others, but there again, this wasn't as dear. And like I say, I just wanted to have a problem. I never got on with the other training hands. The ones that pull down and then you fit the nail on. Never really took to them. So I wanted more of a realistic hand, and these are. So the Vaseline is to keep it conditioned, and well, it's come better than I thought it would have done, to be honest. I'm not going to say where I've had it from because I've had too much trouble with it, and I wouldn't want anybody else to have any problems, so no, I won't. So there it is. So from now on I shall be using, I tell you what you can do for me, guys. I'm going to name this hand. So if you've got any ideas, I mean, Nikki uses Mary. So if you have got any ideas on a name, so when I do use it, instead of saying it or the hand, I'll have a name. Well, that was the unboxing. You've seen exactly as I've seen. Well, I've 3 different delivery dates and everything else, and the compensation. So next time I see you, I should be doing it on these. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and I hopefully see you in my next. Bye.